Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome back to MyGlamm. It's your boy Jason, and today I'm gonna show y'all a few hacks that will make your life easy to achieve a cool smoky eye. So all you need is a black kajal pencil, and if you don't have a black kajal pencil, a gel pot would do, mascara would do, a black eyeshadow would do, your eyebrow filler if it's in the deepest form or that's the color you like, that would do. So the easiest hack that I would say for a smoky eye is to go all messy. So I like to take the pencil and with no rules and just to have fun, I like to go and scribble the black all over my eyelids. You don't have to be perfect and you don't have to worry because once we blend this out, it's gonna look fantastic. So you scribble and just have fun and play with it. Once you're done making this mess, you need to take a blending brush and start scratching the edges very carefully, which is the zigzag motion or the car wiper motion, whichever you prefer. I also like to do zigzag with circular motion so that it blends in all directions seamlessly. Just by doing this much, you already see that you get the smoky effect. But if you want to go a little bit more intense, all you really need to do is take a tape and just put it on the outer edges of your eye, which is right here, in the direction of your smoky eye wing, if that's what you want to achieve. And what you can do is go back to your kajal pencil and just start flicking this on the edge. You don't have to worry going on the tape because once you remove the tape, it's going to just clean it all up. So once you have that scribbled, you can go back to your smudging brush and just smoke it out. Once you're done smudging, all you need to do is take the tape off carefully and just clean the mess with your beauty blender if you have made any. So that's your angular smoky eye on your top lid. I'm gonna do the same on the other side, the same steps. So this is how easy it is to achieve the top winged smoky eye. If you want to stop right here, you're free to, but I like to go a little more intense with my smoky eyes. I like it on my bottom lashes as well. I think it makes my eyes look better, so that's what I'm gonna do. So take your kajal and just run it through your waterline, just so. You don't have to be perfect at all. Now you can actually take your finger and just smudge it, and if you don't want to do that, you can actually first put mascara, and the fallout of the mascara that comes, you can smudge that as well. I like to first do it with the kajal and then do the mascara. I'll also connect my outer V to the sharp edge cut that we created first, but we will smoke it out later, so it'll still look blended and even. So once I have that connected, I'm gonna take a flat brush and smoke it out. So I'm gonna smudge and connect it with my wing, but I'm also gonna smudge that so that everything looks effortless and not very graphic. But at the same time, I want that smoked out wing. And don't be afraid to take your color all the way down. I know a lot of people are scared because they think they might just end up looking like pandas, but trust me, any look will look messy when it's in the process, but when it's done, you're gonna look snatched. So this is how easy it is, guys, to achieve smoky eye or a wing line smoky eye. There are no rules to makeup, so throw them all out and just have fun with it. The one that I used in this video is a Jet Set black kajal pencil, so don't forget to try that out. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos.